Welcome to the course 3D Printing. This lecture provides you an opportunity to understand prototype and its evaluation, importance of prototypes and rapid prototype process. Let us begin with introduction to prototype. What is prototype? A prototype is an early sample, model or release of product built to test a concept or process or to act as a thing to be replicated or learned from. A prototype is designed to test and trial a new design to enhance precision by system analysts and users. Prototypes offer several of the benefits of an injection molded part, but without having to go to the expense of creating and injecting molds. Prototyping serves to provide specification for a real working system rather than a theoretical one. In some workflow models, creating a prototype is the step between the formalization and evaluation of an idea. It is a term used in a variety of contexts, including semantic designs, electronics, and software programming. Now let us have a look at benefits of 3D prototyping. Three-dimensional technologies and services for rapid prototyping have become more affordable over the last decade. There are multiple benefits of using 3D printing and other rapid prototyping technologies to create packaging mockups and rendering. These are speed. You can quickly turn around packaging design and get them in your hand before they are real. With a sample computer-aided design program and a 3D printer, you can design and print with low risk. It means you can also quickly incorporate consumer feedback. 3D prototyping technologies are becoming more affordable and relatively minimum investment can be made on a variety of technologies. However, depending on your specific needs, you might require a more expensive system that can print in finer detail or produce larger parts. There is design freedom. It is quick and efficient to create multiple iterations of a project, sketch or rendering. Another benefit is that you can maintain your intellectual property if you are not ready to share your design with the world yet. Many 3D printers today are not just used for prototyping, they are also used in production settings. Another benefit is the innovative designs. 3D printing services eliminate a lot of barriers in product design and explores new innovative designs. It allows designers to make challenging designs out of their innovative ideas. Designers can therefore make complex designs and turn them to physical objects without a lot of hassle. Rapid prototyping involves multiple iteration of three-step process. These processes are prototype, review, and refine. Rapid prototyping is fast, iterative, and inexpensive. Functional prototyping gives you that fit, form, and function of a package or part. We use this as a build to conform tool to refine the details and predominantly focus on validating the performance and specification. Prototype convert the user's description of the solution into the mockups, factoring in user experience standard and best practices. Second is review. Review share the prototype with the users and evaluate whether it meets their need and expectations. Third is refine. In refine, it is based on feedback and identify areas that need to be refined and further defined and clarified. This is for today. See you in the next session.